Alright, well, hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing? I know we're in the alternate film room, but still. I've never done this before in one of my videos, and hopefully this is the first, last, and only time I gotta do this. I'm putting a disclaimer before you actually watch the video. I set out to do something in this video, and I screwed it up. I screwed it up big. The reason I'm not deleting that video and I'm gonna upload it is because I believe in full transparency, and I believe in owning your mistakes. So, you're going to see a acid bath test in ferric chloride acid for the Tekto Elara. I screwed up by not removing enough material on one side of the blade. Basically, I just scratched the surface up a bit, left a bunch of the indentations on there, didn't remove those, and threw it back in the ferric chloride. That's not how you do it. 1 week from when this video airs, I will have access to more ferric chloride, and I'm going to give it what it should have been. So this is part 1 of the Tekto Elara acid bath test. Here we go. Alright, hey all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know you're going, what the hell are we doing looking in your sink? I just got done filming the video on the Tekto Elara. I really don't want to wait to dip this thing. That's 3 minutes of taking 100 grit sandpaper over the top. It removed everything, no problem. You shouldn't really be able to do that. I am not convinced still, and you can even clearly see that line a little bit better, but I decided to leave one side untouched. We're going to mix up some ferric chloride. So I figured, let's just do this all in one take. That way nobody can sit and go, oh, he's fibbing everything. He didn't do the results. But let's get it done. So, sorry, I'm trying to do this off to the side. Now, you want to cut it with distilled water. Okay. Mix her up. I know, I shouldn't be doing it with the blade, but still. Okay, now what I'm going to do, let's see if I can get this done correctly. Well, like I said, I knew I was going to damage the blade when I did this. So, hang on. Give me one moment. Alright, so basically, got the blade kind of on a clamp, kind of hold it in place. We're going to give it its first soak for about 5 minutes. We're going to come back and we're going to take a look. So, I'll see you in 5. Okay, 5 minutes is up. Let's pull her out and let's take a look. You know, if I was a smarter man. But still. Interesting. That's after 5 minutes.
If that was really Damascus, you would be seeing that pattern a lot more. Look at this side that I didn't touch. Notice how it's a little bit darker? Alright, it's been that 20 minutes, and sorry I had to go through a little different angle because there's some stuff that I've got to do. So here we are after 20 minutes.
I'll be damned.
Let's see. Windex is kind of a neutralizer. Of course, camera took a dump as I sprayed it down with Windex and did other stuff, so I don't know exactly what I lost, but we're going to take a look. I want you to notice that. Okay. That was the side I didn't scrape. I want you to notice that. I am not convinced that's Damascus. I'm really not. I did see a bit of the pattern return. But, yeah. So I don't know if that's laser etched in or what. But the other thing is that little line right down the top came out a lot more. So I'm going to let you decide. I am not thoroughly convinced that's Damascus steel. I'm a little bit more skeptical of it now, but still. So yeah. I will let you be the choice. Like I said, I wanted to do this. It should be looking more along those lines as opposed to that. But I don't know. So here's the fun part. I want your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Do you feel it's real Damascus? Do you feel it's not real Damascus? Do you feel I screwed the pooch on this one? I don't know. I really want to know your feelings. I truly do. I'm kind of curious if I leave it in for a 40-minute soak, what may happen. But that's just me. Because like I said, I was bound and determined to screw this blade up. But that's just me. So like I said, I don't know where that camera dumped, guys. I'm sorry. When I took it out, ran it underwater, get it off, sprayed her down with Windex to help neutralize, you know, the ferric acid. And still. But there we go. Alright. I'm not going to go through the usual little YouTube-y things here because that battery's about to die. But still. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see your comments.